using. Every software is a free only. 99% of softwares are free. One or two software may be a paid. According to Java development, every software is a free. You can download all the softwares and start using. No need of paying anything. Even in JDK, some versions are paid, but we have a free versions. Those versions only we can keep using. For a learner, no need of buying any software. We can use all free softwares. Every software, I'll show you right from the downloading, from where you have to download, which one we have to download, after downloading, how to install, what is the best software among all available, and how to install. After installation, what is the basic configuration? After performing the basic configuration, developing a simple hello world program. From there onwards, keep increasing the content topic by topic. So we require to download every software right from the scratch. Some people will be having a habitual of copying the softwares from other systems. That is not a good approach. Always you should know from where you can download, which one we can download. Even though multiple softwares are available for the same language, which one is suitable? Downloading the same, installing and configuring, then developing a program. Now, while downloading, most of the systems having a default configuration, downloading softwares or files directly going to the C drive users downloads folder. Almost 90% of systems, whatever you download, it is not asking the location. Directly it is saving in the downloads folder. While you are downloading any JDK software or any software, going into the downloads folder. While you are downloading any video file, that is also going into downloads folder. While downloading any document, that is also going into downloads folder. Every file is going to the downloads folder. It's not recommended. First and foremost one, everybody, first and foremost one, we need to configure. Don't download into downloads folder. You have to ask the location for every download. For every download, you should ask me the location where you have to save. I will be choosing the location based on type of download. If download is a software, I'll choose one location. If download is a video file, I'll choose another location. If download is a Word document, I'll choose different location. If download is an audio file, I'll choose different location. You need to tell to the browser, don't download blindly to the downloads folder. Whenever I'm asking you to download something, you have to ask me the location. You're asking me to download one software. Where is the location? Which location I had to follow? Which location I had to use? You're trying to download one YouTube video. Which location I had to use? Please observe everybody. Don't try downloading all the downloads into downloads folder. So you had to go for small configuration setting. A small configuration setting in the Google Chrome. Open a Google Chrome. In the right top, there are three vertical dots. In the right top, there are three vertical dots. Click on this. Go to settings. Open Google Chrome. Right side, three vertical dots are there. Click on the three vertical dots. Click on settings. Under settings, everybody, you can see downloads. Downloads. Under downloads, there is a location, user's username downloads. By default, it is disabled. If this is disabled, straight away, every software, every file while downloading, it will download to the downloads folder. It will download to the downloads folder. Remember, you need to enable this radio button. If you enable this radio button, it will not be downloading every software into the downloads folder. It will be asking you what is the location. Whenever you are downloading any Word document, it will ask you the location where I need to save. While downloading YouTube video, it will ask the location where I need to save. While downloading JDK software, it will be asking you where I need to download. This is by default, it might be enabled just to, by default, it may be disabled just to enable this. Everybody, enabling this radio button. I'll show you once again. Everybody, please observe. In the right top corner of the Google Chrome, there are three vertical dots. Right corner, right top, three vertical dots. Click on three vertical dots. Click on settings. In the settings, you can see downloads. If downloads is not visible, just to go for advanced. In the advanced, you can find downloads. Under downloads, there is a radio button. By default, it might have disabled. Enable it. The meaning of enabling is ask to. Where saving each and every download. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Now browser will be asking you the location. Whenever you are trying to download JDK, browser will ask the location. Whenever you are trying to download YouTube video, it will ask the location. Whenever you are trying to download any Excel sheet, it will ask the location. This is the first and foremost one. The second one, everybody, how to open Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. Left to Alt, there is a window key, window and E. E stands for Explorer. Left to Alt, there is a window key, window and E. Window and E. You'll get a Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, left side you can see all available drives. C drive, D drive, E drive. In my system, 3 drives are there. In your system also maybe 3 drives, but sometimes there may be 1 drive or 2 drives or 4 drives. Generally, operating system developer, he's creating 3 drives. Sometimes for security reasons, 1 drive only or 2 drives only or maybe 4-5 drives. Assume 3 drives available. 1 drive completely operating system. Don't do anything in the operating system drive. C drive is a operating system drive. Then come to the D drive. It is completely for downloads and installations. All downloads we can keep in the D drive and installations also in the D drive. Come to the last one, E drive, for development purpose. For development purpose. I repeat, operating system drive, C drive, downloads and installations drive, D drive, all downloads, all installations, E drive. It is completely development purpose, total development purpose. All programs, all projects we will be developing in the E drive. Now, don't do anything in the operating system drive, that is C drive. Go to the D drive. Create one folder for the software's purpose. I repeat, create one folder for the software's purpose. All softwares we will be downloading into that folder. We are not downloading softwares into downloads folder. We required one specific folder. I am creating that folder in the D drive. Inside a D drive, let's create one folder. Let me go for lara hyphen softwares. Whenever you are creating any folder, that folder should not have any uppercase alphabets. Don't choose uppercase alphabets in the folder. That is not a habitual. That is not like an industry standard. Every character in the folder name, try keeping in the lowercase. I'm just keeping a folder with the 2 words, but don't give a space. Whenever folder you are creating with more than one word, that is with the 2 words, give a separator as a hyphen. This is what the convention following in the industry. Uppercase alphabets, very discouraged. Space, very discouraged. Whenever you create a folder, all characters should be in the lowercase. If any space is there, like a multiple words in the folder name, go for hyphen. I just created one folder with the name as lara-softwares in the D drive. Lara-softwares in the D drive. We configured in the Google Chrome so that Chrome will be asking the location. We already created one location. Now let us start downloading the softwares. All softwares we can download into this folder. What are the softwares required for the initial Java development? What are the softwares required for the initial Java development? Guys, everybody, let me list out what are the softwares required. So you may be aware of the name JDK, Java Development Kit. It is the main software which is required to develop Java programs. Main software, JDK. This is the first and foremost one. Second one, everybody, one editor. I'm choosing editor as a edit place. Please observe. Initially, you have to develop the programs in the editor, not in the Eclipse. Most of the people using Eclipse in the beginning itself, like a kind of IDE. Usage of IDEs in the beginning itself, not at all advisable. You need to learn lot of basic information which is doing automatically by the IDE. If you use the IDE, that is Eclipse, most of the points you may not be focusing. Why? Because those points are automatically developing by Eclipse. Remember this one. We are the learners. Right from the scratch we had to learn. Every point we should learn. Why? Because entire life we are using. Come on. It is not for one project. It is not for 1 year. It is not for 2 years. It is not for maybe 10 years. I started my career in 98 in Java. Till now, I'm in the Java world. Definitely you also. Minimum 30 years or 40 years, you have to be in Java. Every point is required. Every point. It is a life learning. Throughout the life we will be using. Every point. That is why don't use Eclipse for initial 1 month. After 1 month only, I'll be using Eclipse. You also will be using Eclipse. Initially, we'll go for one simple editor. Simple plain editor, that is Edit Plus. This editor, it is not available in the Windows environment. We need to download and install. In the Windows environment, only Notepad is there. Whichever I open, it is a default. It is available in every version of the Windows. But very unfortunately, usage of the Notepad, it is not like a very encouragement manner. No coloring, no auto indexing, no auto indentation. You will be finding very difficulty to compose even hello world program. After one or two programs itself, you will be feeling very tired. So just because of no coloring, nothing, it's a plain editor like our notebook. Everything we had to write. So usage of the notepad is not at all advisable. That is why I'm using Edit Plus. See, notepad is a very plain, zero. Eclipse, lot of features are there. Don't go for zero, don't go for Eclipse. Go for a kind of editor where you will not be finding any kind of difficulty or getting more bored. Something like a very difficult, not able to spend more time. So that is why I'm not going to use Notepad. I'm not going to use Eclipse. We will be using Edit Plus for 1 month. After 1 month, we will be moving to Eclipse. So Edit Plus software, it is mainly for composing programs. Composing programs, like a developing programs, writing programs, composing programs, writing programs, developing programs. Then third one, WinRAR. This software, WinRAR is another software. It is for extracting zip file. You will be already knowing zip file, extracting zip file, or developing a zip file, compressing these options. You have a 10 files. The 10 files you can compress and make a one zip file by using the WinRAR. Let us consider you are downloading something. That something is a zip file that should be extracted. That extracting can be done through WinRAR. WinRAR is very much required. It is mainly used for compressing and uncompressing. Compressing multiple folders and files, making as a one file. Or from one file, extracting into multiple files. Let us consider. You want to send some files to your manager. Assume 20 files are there. If you are attaching all 20 files in the mail, your manager has to download one by one. 20 files downloading, it may take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Forget about the time. Manager will be feeling uncomfortable to download all one by one. His time is very precious. Let us consider you want to send directly to the client itself. We are sending 50 files to the client, one by one, attaching and sending. Client downloading, his time also very precious. Instead of sending files one by one, all 20 files or 50 files, compress, make as a one file that can be a zip file or RAR file. Zip or RAR, compressing and making a one file. Then attach that one file to the manager or to the client. Manager or client, they have to download only one file. That is a compressed file. After downloading, they will be extracting. To compress, to uncompress, we will be using WinRAR. WinRAR software very much required in the software development. So here, JDK main software. Edit Plus to compose the program, to develop the program, to write the program. Edit Plus. WinRAR for compressing and uncompressing. Compressing and uncompressing. Making multiple files as a one file, that is zip file or zip file or rar file, that is called as a compression. Uncompression, zip file or rar file, extracting into one particular folder and getting all the files. Those are called, that is called as a uncompression. Like a unzipping or unraring. Unzipping or unraring. This unzipping, unraring or zipping, raring, like a compression and uncompression, can be done through WinRAR. So today we will download all these three softwares. We'll install all these three softwares. Let us see downloading one by one, one by one. First we will download JDK. This download should be to lara-softwares folder, which is created in the D drive. In the D drive, already folder is created. Let JDK downloading into that folder, Edit Plus also, WinRAR also. Whenever you are downloading, Google Chrome will be asking the location. Choose that location as a lara-softwares. It can be JDK, WinRAR, Edit Plus, anything. Open a browser. Go to oracle.com. In the browser address bar, specify oracle.com. I need to download JDK software. The first step, going into Google Chrome address bar, typing oracle.com. Once you type in the oracle.com, you will be getting one top black header. This is only for advertisement purpose. Every time I'm seeing this one. You can close this top banner. It is only advertisement purpose. I'm just closing top banner. Yes. Now this is the actual window of the oracle.com. In this actual window, you can see products. All Oracle products you can find in the products folder. Click on the products. Several products available in the Oracle. Several products available. Come little down. You can see hardware and software. Hardware and software. Click on Java. We need to download Java software. It is available in the oracle.com under products, hardware and software. Click on Java. You can see my mouse movement. Mouse over Java. Click on Java. So under Java, you can see right top download Java. You can observe mouse. Download Java. Click on this download Java. Click on download Java. Now, come little bottom. You have a Java 18 and 17. Whichever you wanted, you can download. Java 18 or 17. 18 is a one tab. 17 is another tab. By default, 18 is selected. 18. Let's go for 18 only. Even though Java 18, no company using 18 will go for latest version. We are going for latest version. All companies are using Java 8 only. Not 18, but even though Java 8 only required, I'm going for 18, which is the latest version. Try downloading latest version itself. Java 18. Under Java 18, you can see different multiple tabs for different operating systems. Linux, Mac and Windows. Click on Windows. Windows tab. Two tabs you have to select. One is Java 18. Second one is Windows. So in the Windows also, everybody, different softwares available. One is a compressed archive. Second one is a installer. Third one, it is a MSI type of installer. This MSI, it is specific to Microsoft. We don't require these installers. Compared to installers, compressed archive, it is more advisable. You will not be getting any kind of doubts, any kind of difficulties while installing. Always go for compressed archive, especially in the Java. In the Java, compressed archive, you won't get any kind of confusion in down the line. So in down the line, while installing, you will not be finding a difficulty. Always I recommend a compressed archive, even though two installers are there. Don't go for installers. There are like a small limitations with respect to installers. You may not be able to understand it today itself. You will come to know later. Blindly follow compressed archive, which is 172 MB. And you can see the download link. In the download link also, everybody, in the rightmost there is a SHA. Don't click on top of the SHA, rightmost. It gives only a description. You need to select on this particular location. You can see my mouse movement. This is the actual compressed download. If you go to the rightmost SHA-256, you'll get only a description, not the software. To get the software, you have to click on this. You can just check it out, my mouse move. Click on this. We configure, ask where to save for every download before downloading. Because of that, Google Chrome is opening one dialog box to select the location. It is not downloading blindly into downloads folder. It is asking you, it is asking the location. Please observe. Go to the D drive, select the D drive. In the D drive, we created one folder. Lara-softwares. This is the location where you have to download. So it may take maximum 1 or 2 minutes, or maybe like a 5-6 minutes maximum. Let it download. So while downloading, you can see in the left to bottom, there is one tab. In the left to bottom, there is one tab, JDK 18 Windows. In my system, it's got downloaded. In your systems, it may be taking 2-3 minutes additional, or maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So first we will download all 3 softwares, then we'll go for installation one by one. Let JDK downloading. Let us move to the next one. Edit Plus. Edit Plus we already know. Editor. Editor. Not the Eclipse. Eclipse is different. Most of the people might have heard about the Eclipse. Not going to use Eclipse for 1 month. We'll go for Edit Plus. Let us see. Downloading of Edit Plus. Downloading of Edit Plus. The link is editplus.com. Please observe. The link is editplus.com. The link is editplus.com. Enter. Click on downloads. You can see downloads. Editplus.com. Downloads. Under download. Okay, download. You can see down.
Muted. Unmuted.
Again, choose the same location. It is a simple software. It's maximum 3 MB or 4 MB. It won't take more than 10 seconds to download. Compared to JDK, it's a simple software. It's a just editor. It's a just editor. Downloading. Second software. Simple software. Come to the next one. The third one is WinRAR. Let me show. From where we can download WinRAR? win-rar.com. win-rar.com. The website is win-rar.com. Link is win-rar.com. Go inside. Download WinRAR. Come to the down. You can see again download WinRAR. Click on download. Again it is asking the location. It is asking the location. Choose the same location to download. Click on save. It is also a simple software. It won't take much time to download. Very simple software. It won't take much time to download. Downloading of all three softwares got over. You can go to the location where all downloaded softwares are there. Once again, window key and E. E stands for Explorer. Left to Alt, there is a window. E stands for Explorer. Go to the D drive. D drive. In the D drive, we created one folder with the name as Lara Softwares. Inside a lara softwares, there are three softwares. All three got downloaded to here. All three downloaded. So we need to install all three. Before installing all these three, let me show how we can uninstall already all these three available in my system. I didn't uninstall before starting your batch. The reason behind is I need to show even uninstallation, how software can be removed permanently from your system. Any software, what is the best way to remove from the system? What is the standard way to remove from the system? That standard way is uninstallation. Uninstallation is option. All three softwares available in my system. Let me show one by one installation. Left to bottom, type here to search. Come to left to bottom, type here to search. Left to bottom, type here to search. So try typing add or remove. In the left bottom, type here to search. Just to type add or. Add or. Click on this, add or remove. Whatever software is already installed in the system, all will be showing here. All you can see. These are the softwares available in my system. You can see edit place. Let me select. Go for uninstallation. I'm trying to remove edit place. Click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. Okay. Edit place is removed. One software is removed. Simple way. Let me uninstall WinRAR. In the same location, you can find WinRAR. Come little down. Yeah. This is the WinRAR. Click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. WinRAR. Click on yes. Yes. It's okay. Click OK. Two softwares are uninstalled. These two are the installed softwares and I was able to uninstall. The third one, JDK, it is not an installed software. It is a compressed and uncompressed. For that purpose, we need to remove some kind of configuration. Let me show. In the Windows Explorer, left side, this PC. Remember, edit place is removed through uninstallation. WinRAR is removed through uninstallation. JDK, it is not the installed one. We need to remove the configuration. Let us see how. In the left side, this PC, right click, properties. Right click and properties. Right click and properties. Under properties, right side you can see system settings. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Click on this. Advanced system settings. Click on this. Environment variables. Environment variables. Click on environment variables. Under path, I updated location of JDK. The same should be removed. I want to remove the configuration, whatever I made for the JDK. I want to show right from the beginning. So whatever configuration I already made, whatever configuration, whatever installation. So after selecting a path, click on edit. You can see the last one. Select the last one and remove. That is deleted. It is a Java related configuration. I'm selecting the last one. Click on delete. Now click OK in all the windows. Now my system is free from JDK softwares. No JDK softwares available in my system. I'm closing all the windows. Go for Windows Explorer. Everybody. Windows Explorer. Click on D drive. In the D drive, Lara softwares. You can see three softwares here. Downloading is completely done and uninstallation also done. In your system, no need of doing uninstallation, but I just show. If you really wanted to reinstallation, then you can follow the same. Now, let us see installation one by one. First, I'll be installing Edit Plus, which is very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Double click on Edit Plus. No need of doing any changes. Go with all default values. It's very simple software. Very simple. No need of changing anything. Click on Accept. Click on Yes. Everybody. Click on Yes. Click on Start to Copy. Start Copy. Congratulations. Setup completed successfully. Installation of Edit Plus, it's a matter of 2 seconds. No need of any changes or default things. Keep going next to next. Okay, yes, agree. Edit Plus got installed. So before going to the WinRAR, just to go to the desktop, you can see Edit Plus. After installation, you can find the Edit Plus in the desktop. Double click on it. Let's open. Let us see after installation opening a file. Double click. First time only you'll be getting this window. Click on Yes. This also you'll be getting first time only. Click OK. Click on Yes. Yeah. This also will be getting only first time. You can click on trial. Don't go for register. Click on trial. Then initial 30 days, you can go for I agree. Initial 30 days, you can go for I agree. After 30 days, you can bring this one to the bottom. And keep working. I'm using Edit Plus almost for the past 24 years. Very stable one, having lot of success and simple, lightweight. Very lightweight, simple, and usage also very attractive, interesting way. So Edit Plus installation is done. Opened also. Let me open second time. I'm closing this. So same Edit Plus, double click. Second time onwards, you'll get only this one. For initial 30 days, you can go for I agree. You'll get a 30 days trial version. I agree. After 30 days, you can bring this to the bottom and keep working. Bring this to the bottom and keep working. I'm just dragging. Then you can keep working. You can go for File, New, Java. You can start composing a Java program. That portion I'll show you later. Edit Plus is ready. Come to the Lara softwares. Second one. WinRAR. It is for compressing and uncompressing. WinRAR, WinRAR, compressing and uncompressing. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on install. Here also no need of changing any default options. All are default. All are default. Keep going next to next. Install. Click OK. Click on done. Once you click on done, automatically Windows Explorer will open. You can close this Windows Explorer. Installation of WinRAR got over. It is for compressing and uncompressing. Compressing and uncompressing. Once WinRAR installation got over, whenever you are right clicking, it will show uncompress or compress. Remember, please observe edit plus right click. You can see add to WinRAR, extract file. These symbols are WinRAR symbols. After installation only you'll be getting this. So you can see JDK also in the same way. Installation of JDK is not there. You might have remembered we downloaded compressed JDK, not the installer of JDK. Compressed JDK should be uncompressed. For uncompressing purpose, we required a WinRAR. We already installed WinRAR. We are ready to extract JDK. JDK, it's not an installer. We didn't download installer. Instead, we downloaded compressed JDK. Compressed JDK highly recommended. There are a lot of advantages. You will come to know those advantages later. Installers are not recommended with respect to JDK. There are some side effects available. There is a chance of getting some kind of confusion with respect to installers. Not going with the installers, compressed version. We downloaded JDK compressed one. To uncompress that, to extract that, you required WinRAR. Same WinRAR is installed, WinRAR is available. Now, right click on JDK. Right click on JDK. Everybody. If you right click on JDK, you will be getting extract to JDK. You can see my mouse. Right click on WinRAR. Right click on WinRAR. Sorry, JDK. Right click on JDK. Whatever you downloaded, it is a WinRAR file, RAR file, compressed file. Right click on JDK, select extract to. This extract to you will be getting after installing WinRAR. After installing WinRAR only you will be getting this extract to. Click on extract to. Automatically one folder created. Please observe. WinRAR software extracted JDK and kept in one folder. Extracted JDK and kept in one folder. Extracted JDK and kept in one folder. This folder created automatically through WinRAR. Now go inside this folder. This folder containing a JDK folder. That JDK folder containing JDK software. Go inside this JDK. You can see several folders here. Several folders. Bin conf include jmod legal lib. Some other folders. Among all these folders, you require to focus on bin. Bin stands for binary. All binary files will be available inside a bin. Bin stands for binary. All binary files available inside bin folder. All binary files available inside a bin folder. Go inside a bin. Several files are there. All are binary files. What is meant by binary file? Everybody, what is meant by binary file? Binary file, we cannot develop, we cannot understand, we cannot modify. Binary files are not for software engineer. Binary files are not for human beings. Binary files are not for the developer. Developer cannot develop a binary file. Developer cannot understand what is there in the binary file. Developer cannot update, modify, change binary file. These binary files are developing by software tools, software applications. Softwares only can develop the binary files. Even softwares only can understand the binary files. Any software tool, any software library, any software framework can understand binary files. Binary files, we cannot develop, we cannot modify, we cannot read, we cannot understand. Only softwares. Softwares only can develop, softwares only can read, softwares only can modify. Only softwares, binary files can able to develop, understand everything. So those type of files are available here. That is why folder name is a bin. In every software, there will be some binary files. All that binary files are keeping inside a bin folder. Now, come little down. You may be already heard about Java C and Java. Already heard about Java C and Java. Both are binary files. If you really want it, you can open. Right click on Java C. Select edit place. I am opening Java C in the edit place. Already in edit place is installed. Remember everybody, I'll show once again. Right click on Java C. Select edit place. You can see the format of binary file. No human being can understand the format of the binary file. No human being can develop, can modify, can read. Only computers. Only computers. I'm closing this by Java C command. For every Java program, you require Java C command and Java command. Come on. For every program, you require Java C command and Java. For every program, you require Java C command and Java command. Java C and Java. For every program. Without Java C, without Java, you cannot do anything. You have to use Java C and Java. These two are binary files, internally command kind of files. I repeat, both comes under binary files. But originally both are application files which are considering as a command files. No need of worrying about what is application file, what is command file. Just to note down like Java C and Java both are command files. You will be knowing more about what is a command later. Java C is a binary file which comes under command file. Java also binary file which comes under command file. Java C and Java. Java C and Java both are command files. Both are command files. Java C and Java both are command files. Command files we should run from the command prompt. There is a utility in the operating system, command prompt. Every command file should run from the command prompt. Every command file. That is like a basic in the operating system. All command files we have to run from the command prompt. Now, let me open a command prompt to run Java C and to run Java. Observe everybody. I'll open the command prompt to run Java C command and Java command. In order to run Java C command, in order to run Java command, Java C command and Java command. In order to run Java C command and Java command, we require a command prompt. The best way of opening a command prompt, the best way, easiest way of opening a command prompt, just to select the address bar, everybody. Select the address bar. Windows Explorer also having an address bar like a Google Chrome. In the Windows Explorer address bar, just select. You can see Java C and Java. You are able to see Java C command and Java command from the same location. You are selecting address bar. After selecting, directly type CMD. After selecting, in the selected portion only, type CMD. CMD is a sharp exe file for the command prompt. If you run CMD, command prompt will be opening. We are opening command prompt from the current directory of Java C command. Press enter. Type CMD, press enter. This is the command prompt window. Directly, we are in the bin folder of JDK extracted folder. Check it out. First two lines you can remove. Sorry, you can ignore. First two lines you can ignore. Consider third line. The third line says the location where you are in the command prompt. D drive, Lara software, JDK 18 Windows 64 bin, then JDK 1802 inserted bin. In this location only Java C available. In this location only Java is available. Everybody, this is the correct location to run Java C command from the command prompt. Whenever you are running any command, open a command prompt, go to the location where command is available. From that location only you can able to trigger. Now, we straight away opened command prompt from Java C location. From Java location, straight away we opened through address bar. Let us consider Java C space hyphen version. I'm just triggering Java C command to check what is the version of Java C. There is a way to find out version of the Java C. That way is Java C command with a space hyphen version. Space hyphen version. Hyphen version should be as a one word. Hyphen version should be as a one word. One word, press enter. We installed JDK 18. We got Java C 18.0.2. To know what is the Java C version. Similarly, Java version also. This is another command. This command also you can trigger Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Please go inside. You are getting a detailed one. Come on. You are getting a detailed one. Java completely. We extracted JDK. We found out we're regularly using commands while developing Java programs. To develop every program, you require to use Java C and Java. These two are the commands. We found out the location where Java C command is available, Java command is available. Trying to run both the commands from the command prompt. Trying to run both the commands from the command prompt. Opening a command prompt. Opening a command prompt and triggering Java C command and Java command. Let me show one more time. I'm closing all the windows. Everybody, Windows Explorer, everybody, Windows Explorer, left side there is a D drive. Select the D drive. Lara softwares. Lara softwares, go inside. JDK 18, this is the extracted bundle. Whatever compressed one we downloaded, same we extracted into this folder. Go inside. JDK 18. Go inside. There is a bin folder. Bin stands for binary. Bin folder. This is the location where our Java C command and Java command available. You can see Java C and Java. These two are command files. Both we should run from the command prompt. You need to open the command prompt. You need to go to the location where commands are available. Instead of opening a separate command prompt, try opening a command prompt from the current location where commands are available. This is very important. For that purpose, select the address bar. Select the address bar. While it is under selection, from the same location, type CMD. CMD. Press enter. Understood? We straight away open to bin folder where our commands are there. In this location only commands available. You can able to trigger Java C space hyphen version. Java C command triggering very successfully. We found out version of Java C. Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Press enter. You can see detailed version of Java command, including its internal details in the 3 lines. What is the version of hotspot type? You will come to know all these things later. We are able to find version of Java C command and Java command. Both versions are same. For both the commands, they have given hyphen version as the input to know what is Java C version, what is Java version. So we are able to see, we are able to run these 2 commands successfully. Let us close this command prompt. Everybody, let me close this command prompt. How to open a command prompt is separately like from the beginning, and how to go to this location. So come to the left bottom, type here to search. Everybody, left bottom, type here to search, type CMD. Left bottom, type here to search CMD. Now you can see command prompt. I am opening a command prompt straight away without worrying about any folder. Now here I just changed some background, text color. By default, command prompt opens to the operating system drive, users folder and name of the user. In my system, name of the user account is a Dell. You are seeing C users and Dell. C users and Dell. Whenever you open a command prompt straight away from the operating system, it opens to C drive, users folder and user folder. In my system, user folder is Dell. You cannot trigger Java C command from here. Let us see. If you trigger Java C command from here, you will be getting an error. This is not the proper location. Java C command is not available in the Dell folder of users folder in the C drive. It is available in the bin folder. That bin folder available in the JDK extracted bundle. That extracted bundle is available in the D drive. But we are in the C drive. By default, command window, it opens to C drive, users, username. Move to the D drive. How to move to the D drive? D : everybody switching over from one drive to another drive. Switching over from one drive to another drive. Drive name and colon. Drive name and colon. Drive name and colon. You can see. We move to the D drive. In the D drive only Java C command is available, but not in the D drive root place. We have to go inside. There are 3-4 folders are there. Let us go through that folders. CD. CD stands for change directory. CD stands for change directory. CD stands for change directory. CD space lara softwares. This is the folder in the D drive. We created a folder with a name as lara softwares in the D drive. Press a tab. One more tab. You can see lara softwares. No need of typing all the characters in a folder. Type few characters, then keep pressing a tab till you get your desired folder. I'll show you once again. Let us consider I typed lara. Press a tab. We got one folder with the name as lara-set1. It is not our desired folder. One more time tab. Lara-software. Press enter. CD space lara-software. Yes or no? Now CD space JDK. There is one folder. 18 and all. Bigger folder name. No need of typing that bigger folder name. Just to type JDK. Press tab. Press tab. Two tabs. We are inside a JDK. Inside this folder, once again there is a JDK folder. CD space JDK. CD change directory going into the child of the current directory. CD space. Press tab. Press enter. CD space bin. Only 3 letters I type. This is the location where Java C available. Java available. Yes or no? Java C command. Java command. Let us trigger Java C space -version. Earlier you got the error. Now you are not getting the error. You are able to trigger Java space -version. Understood everybody?
Hello.
Yes.
So this is Amit speaking, sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, you told to select D drive, no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, it is saying D drive is not recognized as an internal or external command.
No, D colon. If D drive is available in your system, check it out in the Windows Explorer whether D drive is there or not.
Sir, you told that in C drive, it will not show the Java version, no, sir.
No, no, no. Where you downloaded? Let me know the location where you downloaded, in which drive you downloaded.
New volume D, sir.
D drive?
D drive.
Okay.
Lara software.
Okay.
Lara icon software.
Okay. I'll show you. Please observe. I'm closing this window. In the left bottom, type here to search CMD. Here D colon, lowercase or uppercase. Please follow me. Either lowercase or uppercase. If D drive is there in your system, it will take you to the D drive. Check it out.
D.
D. The drive name you can mention in the lowercase or in the uppercase.
Lowercase, sir.
Any case you can allow. Any case you can type. Lower or upper. You have to get moving to the D drive. What is the message you got?
So, one second, that is on the name, sir. D drive is not a recognized or internal or external command.
Are you sure like a D drive is there? Left side you can see whether drives are there or not in the. You can see my mouse movement.
Sir. Local disk C, new volume D, local disk C E.
In new volume D is there.
Sir.
There may be some kind of security issues in your system. You can just to check it out one more time.
Sir.
It's a very common. So we should not get any type of errors here. It is very common. Just to open a command prompt, go to any drive by specifying drive colon. I am specifying E colon. I move to E drive. Now I am specifying D colon colon. Check it out whether you mentioned colon or semicolon. Colon.
No, it got, sir.
So, you mentioned D semicolon?
Sir.
Yeah. See, D
Thank you.
colon represents a D drive. E colon represents E drive. So we are in drive. Everybody use CD command.
Muted. Unmuted.
Use CD. CD stands for change directory. From one directory to another directory, we will be using CD command. CD space. What is the directory? In the D drive, we created a directory called lara-softwares. Lara. Then press a tab. One more tab. Lara-softwares. Press enter. CD space lara-softwares. Again go for CD space JDK. Press a tab. Only one folder with JDK. Go inside. Again CD space JDK. Press a tab. Press enter. CD space. Come on. Bin. Bin stands for binary. Bin stands for binary. In the bin folder only Java C command is available. Come on. Java command is available. Hey, what happened? In order to clear the screen, you can go for CLS as a command. By using CLS command, we can clear the screen. In order to clear the screen, we had to use CLS. I repeat once again, everybody, let me open a new command prompt. A new command prompt. From the left to bottom, type here to search. Type CMD. Open command prompt. Move to the D drive, D:, CD space, lara, tab, one more time tab, softwares. CD space, JDK, tab, CD space, JDK, tab, CD space, bin. Now we are in the location where Java C command is available and Java command also available. Java C space is very much required. Space. Then as a one word, hyphen version, Java space, hyphen version, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. Very simple. Now again I am closing this one. You can go to the D drive in the Windows Explorer, go to Lara Softwares in the Windows Explorer, JDK, again JDK, bin. Inside a bin, Java C is there, Java is there. You can open a command prompt directly from this location through address bar, which we have used in the beginning. Select the address bar. After selecting the address bar, type CMD, CMD. Press enter. We straight away went to the bin folder of JDK installation, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. Now observe everybody, guys. If you go for CD space dot dot, CD space dot dot, CD space dot dot. Dot dot represents a parent to the current directory. Come on guys. Dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Parent to the current directory. Now we are inside a JDK 18.0.2. Earlier we were inside a bin. From a bin, it moved to its parent of the bin. Who is the parent of the bin? JDK 18. If you go for one more time, so you'll come to JDK 18. Again go for one more time. Here the lara softwares. Let me go for CD space JDK tab, CD space JDK tab, CD space bin. You can keep moving parent to child, child to parent. Come again. I'm clearing the screen. Trigger Java C space hyphen version. To go back to previous, cd space dot dot. To go back to one more, even you can go back to the D drive. We are inside a D drive. cd space lara tab, one more time tab. cd space jdk tab, cd space jdk tab, cd space bin. Java C space hyphen version. Guys, we just play around cd command. CLS, observe one point. I'm just going back one step, only one step. In the bin folder, we supposed to run Java C command. What happens if you run Java C command from the parent of the bin, from the JDK 18.0.2, from the parent itself, from the parent, you will be getting an error. It cannot recognize it from other folders, even though that other folder is its parent itself. Parent of the bin is JDK 18.0.2. From the parent only, I am triggering Java C command. Not able to run. From the parent only, I'll be triggering Java command. But if you go to the bin folder, this is the correct location where Java C command is available. Java C space version. Java space version. On. If you go one step back, that is just its immediate parent, we are not able to run. What is the meaning of this? Command prompt can recognize commands of current directory. Command prompt can recognize commands of current directory. Now, what is the current directory? The current directory is JDK 18.02. In this current directory, Java C not available. In this current directory, Java C not available. Come on, guys. Java also not available. If you go to the bin folder, Java C version, from outside a bin folder, you cannot run Java C command and Java command, even though that outside is the immediate parent to bin folder. I'm closing this. Let's open one command prompt from the type here to search CMD. C drive it is open. Let me trigger Java C. You will be getting an error. Java. Let's go to the D drive, D colon Java C, Java. Let's go for Lara software. Trigger Java C. You'll get an error. Why you are getting an error? In the current directory, both the commands not available. These commands available in the bin folder. Come on, guys. The bin folder only. Go to JDK. Sorry. We are in the Lara set 1. Come back. Dot dot represents the parent. We are in the Lara set 1. Go back. We'll come to the D drive. We are in the D drive. Go to CD. Lara hyphen softwares. cd space jdk, cd space jdk. Let me clear the console. CLS. cd space bin javac version. Java version. Remember everybody, any command you can run from the current location of the command, not from outside. By default, command prompt is searching for any command in the current directory. For any command by default. By default, command prompt is searching for a command in the current directory. If I trigger XYZ, it is not available. You will be getting XYZ is not recognized as an internal or operable. It's not an internal command or external command or operable or batch file. Why? Because there is no file with the XYZ in the bin folder. But there is a file with the name as javac. There is a file with the name as Java. You can trigger javac space hyphen version. But same javac cannot run from outside a bin. Let us go to the outside a bin. Any location. You cannot trigger javac. A ground rule. A blind ground rule. Any command prompt can recognize only from the current location. Only from the current location, not from any other locations. If command is there in the XYZ folder, then open a command prompt, go to the XYZ folder, then run. If command is there in the ABC folder, go to the ABC folder from the command prompt, then click the command. That is what default behavior of the command prompt. By default, command prompt searching for any command only from the current location. This you have to remember. But every time going to bin folder to trigger javac command may not be very convenient. Assume I'm going to develop a Java program in the E drive. My Java program is there in the E drive. Javac command is there in the bin folder of D drive. Both are in different location. If I want to run javac command, I had to run only from the bin folder. But unfortunately, my Java file is there in the E drive. I decided C drive for operating system, D drive downloads and installations, E drive completely development. I want to develop Java program in the E drive. But by default, command prompt not able to run Java command, javac command from outside the bin folder. There is a configuration for this. You need to configure location where javac command is available. That location you have to specify to the command prompt. Remember this. Whatever location is there, that location should be specified to the command prompt. If we specify to the command prompt, then command prompt can able to recognize it wherever you are. Let me show that. I close command prompt. Everybody. This is the bin folder location. Small change. Yeah. In the address bar, the total location right from the drive name, the total location, it is displayed in the address bar. This is the path where javac command available, Java command available. This is the location. This location should be specified to command prompt through a standard configuration. Through standard configuration, how to specify location of a command to the command prompt. Follow that one. Command prompt should know your location in the standard way. Command prompt should know where Java C command is available. Command prompt should know where Java command is available. There is a standard procedure. It's a fixed one. It's a predefined one. Follow that one and update. It is called as a configuration. We need to configure something in the command prompt. Come on. We need to configure a small step in the command prompt. I'm copying this location. Guys, don't type this location. It's a lengthy one. Copy from the address bar. Copy from the address bar. Come to the left bottom, type here to search. Left bottom, type here to search. Type CMD. Open. See users del. No matter where it is. Let us see the configuration. Set space path is equal to. It is the predefined procedure. Already this procedure is defined. We have to follow this one. Name is a path. Set is a command. Use the set command. Specify your command location to the path. Path is a predefined one. You should not use your own name. Always you have to specify path only in order to configure your command location to the command prompt. Now, whatever you copied, right click and paste. This is the detailed location where Java C command is there. This location you should specify to the path. How to specify? Through set. Set is a predefined command. Path is a predefined name. For that path, you need to specify where your command is there. It's a simple configuration step. Now you can run Java C command from anywhere in this command prompt. Let me trigger Java C. We are able to run very successfully. Now command prompt knows where this Java C command is available. How command prompt is knowing? We updated location of Java C command in the standard predefined procedure. What is that procedure? Setting a path. Set is a predefined command. Path is a predefined name. For that name only, you need to specify wherever command is located. Location. Now, come to the D drive, D colon. Trigger Java C command. Successfully running. Go to the E drive, E colon. Java C command with a version. Java command also. Throughout command prompt, we can able to run this TLS. Go back to the D drive, go to the lara software, trigger Java C, trigger Java. If you configure like this, everybody, if you configure like this, you can able to run both the commands from anywhere in the current command prompt, but this path setting will not be visible to other command prompts. It is a local to current command prompt. It is a local to current command prompt. Any issue with parking?
Anyone parking their bike in front of
That's it. Leave it, leave it. So he told from tomorrow onwards, right?
yeah, after 30 minutes and from tomorrow, tell them
No problem. Java space hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. From anywhere, we can able to run this command prompt. Now, let me open another command prompt. Without closing this, I am opening a new command prompt. Everybody please accept. CMD javac space hyphen version java space hyphen version. You are not able to run. Why? Because whatever path you set in the previous command prompt, that will not be visible to here. You need to set once again over here. Once again. Let me go to the D drive. From anywhere you can set. Don't think like always you have to set from C drive users lara. You can set from anywhere. Come on. I'm setting path is equal to whatever you copied into the clipboard, right click and paste. Whatever you copied in the clipboard, right click and paste. Java C space hyphen version Java space hyphen version. You can go to the E drive also. Let me clear. In the E drive, Java C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Come on, guys. Without closing this, let me open another command prompt. Everybody. No matter whether you closed or opened, set path will be visible to only one command prompt. Set path will be visible to only one command prompt. That is current command prompt. In whichever command prompt you set, only in that command prompt it will be visible. Let's go for straight away triggering Java C. Triggering Java. Go to the E drive. Trigger Java C. You won't get trigger Java. What you had to do? You had to set path. Set path is equal to right click and paste. What is there here? The detailed location where Java C command is available. Let me clear the console. Trigger Java C command. Java C command. Java command. From anywhere after setting. Now, I'm closing all the command prompts, group of command prompts. Let me open a new command prompt, CMD. Trigger Java C. It will not be recognizing. Set a path, set space, path. It is the name of the environment variable. Path is a name of the environment variable. There are lot of environment variables available in the operating system. Path is one. Why it is called as an environment variable? It tells the environment of one software. It tells the location of one software. That is why it comes under environment variable. It is telling environment of a particular software. Location where software is there. That is why we can treat like it is explaining something about our software environment to the command prompt. Our software environment to the command prompt. That is why it is called as a environment variable. Environment variable. Now trigger Java C command. Trigger Java command. Done, everybody. Let me open another command prompt. CMD Java-C with a version. Java with a version. If you are not setting a path, not able to compile and run, not able to trigger Java-C command and Java command. To trigger Java-C command and Java command, you need to set a path. Set path is equal to, you know the location, it's already available in the clipboard. Copy, right click and paste. Now trigger Java-C with a version. Java with a version. Understand? Command prompt wise, we can set a path by using set command. Command prompt wise. Not for all the command prompts through set. There are two more approaches, two more ways. This is one way. Setting a path by using set command in the command prompt, it will be visible only for current command prompt. Set path, setting a path inside a command prompt for a particular command prompt. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It will not be visible to other command prompts. Set command. See, local to one command prompt, easy to set, but limitation. Limited to one command prompt. Limited to one command prompt. There are two other approaches where we can set a path which can be visible to every command prompt. No need of setting again and again. There is a global way of setting a path. Global way of setting a path. If you set a path globally one time, that is sufficient. Till you format the system, it will be available. Even after restarting also. For all the command prompts, for every session, even after restarting, whenever you format the operating system, at that time it will be erasing globally. Those two ways, globally settings. In the globally, there are two ways. Those two ways I will explain in the next class. Experiment fully, set path importance. Understand the limitation of set path. Then we can see how to overcome limitation of the set path. Like setting something which should be visible to every command prompt, even same should be visible after restarting also. After restarting also it should be available. That portion I will show you in the next class. So tomorrow our class will be sharply by 6 o'clock itself. Our class will be tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Sharply join. Both offline.
The morning.
Yes. Any confusion? Any doubts in the online?
No, sir. For timing, 6 o'clock in the morning or.
Hey, evening.
today?
Evening hero. 6 evening. 6 p.m. Evening
Okay.
6 p.m. 6 p.m.
Okay.
Okay. Use the same link and password for all the online people. So tomorrow also a demo. Tomorrow I'll be taking 3 hours from evening 6 onwards. It will go till 9 o'clock. So today, instead of going further, you wanted to experiment with a set command, cd command. More like a seriously. You should understand the limitation. Then only we can go for further. That is the reason I am winding up now. We will continue tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Evening 6 o'clock. That's all for now. Chalo, enjoy karo. We will see tomorrow.